In this video, I'll show you how to turn on and off the GPS settings of your Fitbit Charge 6. So let's start right away. Wake up the screen of your Fitbit and then swipe down like this until you see settings. Then tap on settings. Go down until you see GPS. Then tap on GPS. And you have a few GPS modes that you can choose. So you have dynamic by default, and dynamic, what does it mean is that usually it will try to use your phone GPS at the beginning of a workout. And then let's say you leave your phone at home and you go to run away, you go to run, it will switch to the internal GPS of your watch thereafter if it stops detecting your phone around. I suggest you always leave it in dynamic because this will save you battery, since it will rely on your phone when it's available, and if not, it will simply switch to the built-in GPS of your watch that uses a lot more energy. Then if you tap once, you have built-in. This time, you see over here, it says impacts battery. The watch will always use the built-in GPS. Even if your phone is around you, it will still only use the built-in GPS of your Fitbit. This uses a lot of energy and you'll see your battery going down a lot quicker than if you just leave it in dynamic. And then if you tap another time, you have phone. This will only use the phone GPS, and if your phone is not around because you're going biking and you left your phone at home, then you won't have any GPS data at all. It won't switch automatically to the built-in. So this is why I always suggest you leave it in dynamic mode. Now what I suggest is before starting a workout, so let's say I'm going in my workouts, I'm gonna run, tap on the workout, and then if you swipe like this up, and you go through these settings, you're going to notice GPS over here. Make sure it's turned on if you want the GPS to record the data. You can also switch it off and start your workout. You just need to remember that if you switch it off, and let's say you go away and you stop your workout, and let's say tomorrow you want to start running again, just make sure you turn it back on, because by default, if you turn it off once, it will stay off. It won't go back to on again on your next workout. So this is it. This is how you turn on and off the GPS of your Fitbit, and also how to use the settings dynamic, built-in, and phone. So I hope this was helpful. If so, please leave a like down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.